In this video, I'll guide you through how to blast a campaign in Klaviyo. If you're looking to effectively reach your audience with a campaign, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps to get your campaign set up and sent out efficiently. First, let's make sure everything is in order before we launch your campaign. You'll want to start by reviewing the final checklist screen. This is an essential step because it ensures that every setup element of your campaign is ready to go. When you see a green check mark next to each item, it indicates that all the necessary components, like your email list, content, and settings, are properly configured. This checklist helps to avoid any common pitfalls or errors that might affect your campaign's performance. Taking a moment here can save a lot of hassle later on. Once you've confirmed that everything is in order on the checklist, the next step is to click on the button labeled Review and Schedule Campaign. You'll find this option conveniently located in the bottom right corner of your screen. By clicking this, you're moving into the final stages of the campaign setup, where you can choose the timing for your campaign to go out. This feature gives you control over the precise scheduling of your campaign, allowing you to target your audience at the most optimal time for engagement. Now, if you're ready to launch your campaign right away, you can choose the Send Now option. Selecting Send Now means your campaign will be fired off immediately to your selected audience. This is particularly useful if you have a time-sensitive message or offer you wish to communicate without delay. After selecting this option, you'll need to confirm your decision to proceed. This confirmation step acts as a final safeguard, ensuring that you really intend to send the campaign immediately and haven't clicked the option by accident. And there you have it. You've successfully blasted a campaign in Klaviyo. Remember that precise timing and thorough preparation are key to maximizing the impact of your campaign. Before launching, always double-check your checklist to ensure everything is set correctly. This way, you can rest assured knowing that your campaign is going out exactly as planned. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on how to blast a campaign in Klaviyo. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on digital marketing and campaign management. Happy campaigning!